When the grid snaps off and the rain turns hostile, you don't panic, you deploy. This lineup shows what to pack, how each tool flips chaos into control, and why preparedness beats luck. We'll ride an emotional arc from risk to rescue, preview a finale you won't see coming, and reveal the one gadget most preppers overlook, but shouldn't. Number 1. Garmin inReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator. When cell towers go dark, this palm-sized satellite communicator keeps you connected. Mini 2 enables two-way messaging and interactive SOS over Iridium, with trackback routing to retrace your path if plans change. Pair to your phone for the Garmin Messenger app, share map-share location, and receive basic weather updates. Shock-resistant and water-rated, it rides easy on shoulder straps without weighing you down, turning remote trips into managed missions with real accountability and a lifeline that actually works. Number 2. Jetboil Flash Camping Stove Cooking System. Boil times matter when you're cold and wet. Flash's 1-liter flux ring cup and push-button igniter deliver water in about 100 seconds, with a thermochromatic heat indicator that signals when it's ready. The insulated cozy drink-through lid and nested design keep pack size tight and fingers safe. Compatible with Jetboil accessories, it turns coffee, soup, and freeze-dried meals into fast morale boosts. Perfect for bug-outs, base camps, or quick refuel stops between objectives. Number 3. OLIGHT Warrior 3S Tactical Flashlight. A compact duty light with battlefield manners. Warrior 3S blasts up to 2,300 lumens and throws out to roughly 300 meters. Dual controls let you thumb strobe or step brightness instantly, while the magnetic tail recharges without fuss. A proximity sensor automatically throttles output near obstacles for safety in tight spaces. Waterproof and impact ready, it's the kind of light that survives hard nights and still has juice for the debrief. EDC size, mission punch. Number 4. LEATHERMAN Signal 19-in-1 Multi-Tool. Signal blends. Leatherman fundamentals with survival extras. Pliers, knife, saw, hammer end, and bit driver meet a ferro rod, emergency whistle, and diamond sharpener. One-hand blade access and a pocket clip keep it deploy ready, while the carabiner and lightweight build ride unnoticed until needed. Whether anchoring tent stakes or striking a fire in foul weather, it compresses a small camp toolkit into one rugged chassis. Ideal for hikers, overlanders, and anyone who likes redundancy. Number 5. LEATHERMAN Wave Plus 18-in-1 Multi-Tool. A classic for a reason. Wave Plus gives you outside accessible blades, spring-action scissors, bit driver versatility, and replaceable 154cm wire cutters that shrug off heavy use. The file, saw, and locking tools handle everything from field fixes to gear tuning, while its contoured stainless handles tame long sessions. In urban kits or backcountry bags, it's the reliability pick. Tight tolerances, confident locks, and the right spread of functions when a full toolbox is out of reach. Number 6. Gerber StrongArm Fixed Blade Knife. StrongArm is a full-tang 420HC workhorse with a ceramic-coated blade for corrosion resistance and low glare. A rubberized diamond texture grip stays planted in wet or gloved hands, while the striker pommel handles glass breaks and camp chores. Gerber's modular sheath mounts moly, vertical or horizontal for flexible carry. From food prep to batoning kindling, it's built to take abuse and keep cutting. Exactly what you want when your knife is more than a convenience. Number 7. Midland GXT1000V P4 GMRS two-way radios. When teams spread out, these compact GMRS handhelds keep comms simple. You get 50 channels, channel scan, 142 privacy codes, and NOAA weather alerts for fast situational reads. JIS 4-splash resistance handles rain, while headsets and rechargeable battery packs come ready to roll. Ideal for convoys, camp setup, or perimeter checks, the GXT1000V-P4 keeps coordination tight without phones, because clear, hands-on communication is faster than group chats when time and terrain push back. Number 8. Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System. Pocket size, trail proven. The Sawyer Mini's 0.1 micron absolute hollow fiber membrane filters bacteria, protozoa, and microplastics. Drink directly with the straw, thread it onto standard bottles, or run it inline on a hydration hose. At just about 2 ounces, it rides unnoticed but works hard, with included squeeze pouch and backflush syringe for maintenance. It's the filter that disappears in your pack until a muddy creek is your only option, and clean water suddenly matters. Number 9. Anker SOLIX PS 100 100-watt portable solar panel. Light but tough, this foldable 100-watt panel uses high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, Anker rates up to 23% conversion, to top up power stations and devices. An IP67 build shrugs off rain and dust, and the adjustable kickstand locks at 4 angles to chase optimal sun. With a carry handle and tidy cable management, it sets fast and packs cleaner than rigid panels. For off-grid charging that keeps pace with your day, 100 pounds punches above its size. Number 10. Fenix PD36R Pro Rechargeable Tactical Flashlight. A duty-grade torch with road-ready runtime, PD36R Pro hits up to 2,800 lumens and throws roughly 415 yards. USB-C charging and a 21,700 cell deliver extended operation, while dual tail switches give instant strobe or smooth level shifts. No menu diving. Aluminum body, robust sealing, and included holster make it patrol-friendly, truck-ready, and glove-compatible. It's the do-everything light that adapts from blackout kits to trail searches without flinching. Number 11. NITECORE New 25 UL 400 Lumen Rechargeable Headlamp. Featherweight on the forehead, heavy on performance. NU25UL balances a 400 lumen max with triple output optics for flood, spot, and red light to preserve night vision. USB-C charging keeps it convenient, while the airy head strap sheds sweat in grams. The beam pattern is dialed for camp tasks, map checks, and pre-dawn approaches, and lockout prevents pack-on activations. If you want hands-free without helmet bulk, this is the minimalist headlamp that over-delivers. Number 12. Adventure Medical Kits Trauma Pack Pro with QuikClot. Serious bleeding control, fast. Trauma Pack Pro pairs QuikClot gauze with a windlass tourniquet, nitrile gloves, and essentials in a compact, rip-open pouch designed for rapid access. The layout prioritizes what stops hemorrhage first, with clear instructions to guide responders under stress. Tucks into a glove box, range bag, or pack lid without bulking your kit. When seconds matter, it turns bystanders into effective first responders and buys time until advanced care arrives. Number 13. Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Edition. Built to MILST D810. This 50mm rugged GPS smartwatch brings solar-assisted endurance, a built-in flashlight, night vision mode, stealth features, and specialized tactical metrics. Multi-GNSS, ABC sensors, and trackback support navigation, while training, health, and sleep tracking keep your readiness honest. With the Power Glass lens harvesting light, battery life stretches from impressive to outrageous outdoors. It's the mission watch that refuses to quit. Navigation, fitness, and field utility in one armored package. Number 14. MIRA Safety CM6M CBRN Full Face Gas Mask. Professional grade protection for civilians, the CM6M uses a panoramic visor for wide visibility, a comfortable silicone facepiece, and standard 40mm NATO threading for filter compatibility. The integrated hydration system maintains comms and performance during extended wear, while the voice diaphragm keeps speech clear. Pair it with rated CBRN filters for smoke, gas, and chemical threats. For wildfire smoke kits, industrial incidents, or preparedness, it's a serious barrier that still prioritizes comfort and control. Number 15. Retevis RT22 Long-Range FRS Walkie-Talkies. Ultra slim and palm-friendly, the RT22 keeps teams connected without clutter. You get 16 pre-programmed channels, Vox hands-free transmission, and clear audio in noisy environments. The durable housing and included earpieces make it convoy-ready, while the long-life batteries and drop-in chargers keep downtime low. Simple knobs, a strong belt clip, and reliable range make these a no-nonsense choice for camp coordination, perimeter checks, and short-range comms when phones are useless. Number 16. SOLIX Seal Pup Elite Fixed Blade Knife. Built on SOG's seal lineage, the Seal Pup Elite pairs an AUS 8 stainless blade with cryo-treating for edge retention and a corrosion-fighting finish. The ergonomic GRN handle locks in with aggressive texturing and finger choil control, while jimping adds confidence for fine tasks. A MOLLE-compatible sheath handles belt or vest carry. From food prep to notching steaks and emergency cutting, this compact fixed blade punches well above its size in real-world chores. Number 17. Atomic Bear Cobra Paracord Bracelet. 5 survival tools in one wristband you'll actually wear. The Cobra bracelet hides 12 feet of 550 paracord, an integrated ferro rod and striker scraper, a piercing whistle, and a mini compass for quick bearings. The buckle locks securely, yet opens fast with cold hands. Whether you're lighting a stove in wind or rigging a shelter line at dusk, this everyday carry backup turns "I forgot my kit" into "I've got this." Number 18. Jetboil MiniMo Camping and Backpacking Stove System. Fast boils meet real simmer control. MiniMo's regulated burner and 1-liter flux ring cup deliver steady performance in cold, while the low-profile shape and metal handles make cooking and eating less fussy. The push-button igniter speed starts, and everything nests inside the pot to save space. Pair with a fuel can and spoon for a complete hot meal solution on the move, perfect for coffee at dawn, soup in storms, and morale when temps drop. Number 19. Grail Ultra Press, 16.9 ounces. Water purifier bottle. Press to purify. No hoses, no waiting. The Ultra Press bottle removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, particulates, and microplastics while improving taste and reducing many chemicals and heavy metals. Scoop from streams or taps, then push the purifier cartridge for clean water in seconds. The compact one-hand design fits bottle pockets, and cartridges are field replaceable. Ideal for travel and backcountry alike, it's a self-contained, go-anywhere solution when safe water sources aren't a guarantee. Number 20. NITECORE N B10000 Gen 2 Ultra Slim 10,000 mAh Power Bank. Built with a carbon fiber composite shell, the NB10000G2 is featherlight yet tough enough for rough kits. It delivers fast USB-C PD and USB-A output to top off phones, headlamps, GPS units, and action cams, with low current mode for wearables. The thin profile slides into organizer sleeves without bulking your pack. When field days stretch and recording, mapping, and messaging can't die, this packable power bank keeps your electronics mission capable. Number 21. Streamlight ProTac HLX 1000 lumen tactical flashlight. Dual fuel flexibility and duty-grade output. The HLX blasts a 1000 lumen beam and runs on either a rechargeable 18650 or two CR123A cells. 10-tap programming lets you set your preferred mode order, while the aluminum body, anti-roll head, and IPX-rated ceiling endure weather and workouts. Compatible with remote switches and mounts, it transitions from hand to rifle quickly. It's the reliable, configurable work light you want for vehicle kits and tactical setups. Number 22. UCO Stormproof Match Kit. Fire that laughs at weather. These stormproof matches light quickly, burn hot up to several seconds, and keep going after brief dunking or high winds. The waterproof case floats, includes spare strikers, and rides easily in hip pockets or cook kits. For lighting stoves in sideways rain or starting tinder when numb fingers won't cooperate, this little orange capsule turns a field frustration into a sure ignition source you can trust. Number 23. Moracniv Companion Stainless Steel Fixed Blade Knife. A Scandinavian classic for everyday fieldwork. The Companion's 12C27 stainless steel blade resists rust and takes a keen edge, while the Scandi grind bites cleanly into wood for feather sticks and notches. The high-friction rubber handle anchors securely in wet or gloved hands, and the snap sheath clips to belts for grab-and-go carry. Affordable, durable, and predictable. This is the utility knife that earns a permanent slot in day packs and camp bins. Number 24. Running Snail MD090P Emergency Crank NOAA Weather Radio. One box, many lifelines. The MD090P pulls in NOAA weather alerts, and AM/FM, charges by hand crank, solar, or USB, and doubles as a power bank to revive phones in a pinch. An integrated LED flashlight and reading lamp handle blackout tasks, while the SOS alarm draws attention when needed. Compact and budget-friendly, it's the emergency drawer essential that actually earns its keep during storms, outages, and roadside surprises. Number 25. Jackery Explorer 300 Plus. Portable power station. Light to carry, strong on utility. The 300 Plus packs 288 watt-hours of Life PO4 chemistry for long cycle life, a pure sine wave inverter to protect sensitive gear, and multiple USB-C, USB-A AC outputs to handle cameras, laptops, comms, and lights. App control streamlines status checks and eco modes, while clean pass-through charging simplifies desk or camper setups. Pair with solar for silent recharges, and you've got an off-grid hub that fits under a seat. Number 26. GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station. Turn camp chaos into a real kitchen. This folding station deploys a heat-resistant main shelf for stoves, multiple side tables for prep, a soft-sided sink, paper towel holder, utensil hooks, and a lower storage rack. The aluminum frame and durable surfaces stabilize on uneven ground, then collapse flat into a carry-easy form. Coffee at sunrise, tacos after trail, organization makes meals faster and cleaner, freeing time for the mission instead of the mess. From blackout drills to backcountry miles, every item here pushes you from vulnerable to ready. If this helped sharpen your kit, hit like to boost the signal, drop a comment with the one tool you'd add, and share this with the teammate who always carries extra batteries. For more field-tested pics and scenario walkthroughs, subscribe and ring the bell. Your next mission brief lands in your feed.